Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Medication cord. So, yung mga kailangan ng healing or nasa healing process. Okay. And also, bonfire. Nag-heal from this, parang madali ang relationship, bonfire energy, karmic partners. We also have here the key, mirror, lantern. So, may hindi naman makakatulog dito. So, traffic lights. And bottom card natin dito, hourglass. So, mukhang may naghihintay dito ng right time or divine timing para mag-reach out, kausapin ka. So, itong taong to, maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng quick relationship or saglitan lang. Or kung hindi man, parang hindi naging kayo Tingnan natin. Naghihintay siya ng right time or timing. Tsumechempo para kausapin ka ulit. So, parehas kasi kayo na in the process of healing, ayan, gusto niya kasi ng new beginning. Or parang can we start again energy, ganun. Offering, ayan, may offering, love offering na gusto siya na gawin dito. Pero mukhang malakas ang energy kasi na naka-flirt mo lang tong taong to. So, mukhang hindi naging kayo or naudlot, hindi natuloy. Ayan. And we also have here the King of Wands, Page of Wands. So, definitely, this person will communicate, sending message sa tawag, makikipag-usap. We have here the 5 of Cups, 9 of Cups. Kasi nga, nanghihinayang siya na kung ano man to nangyari, bakit naudlot, bakit hindi natuloy, nanghihinayang siya doon. So, we have here the Lovers and the Death card. Bottom card natin is 7 of Swords. So, maaari kasi yung this person jump into another option. Kumbaga, may nakita siya na siguro inisip niya na masigit yung option na to, kaya in-explore niya muna. Pero ang ending is hindi naging maayos yung option na yun. No? Kaso gusto niyang bumalik sa'yo, yun nga lang, parang umiwas ka na sa kanya or nawalan ka na rin ng gana makipag-communicate sa kanya kasi umiwas siya. Bigla siyang nawala na parang bula. Ganyan. Tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel natin dito. Kunin ko itong isa. We have here Comfort by Archangel Azrael. I'm with you in your time of need, helping your heart to heal. So, ito na nga yung mga in the process of healing or nag-move on ka na from this person pero, ayan, no, this person will ask for another chance. Pero mukhang hindi nga kayo nagkaroon ng maayos na relationship or no label situation siguro, ganyan. Kumbaga parang bonfire energy, laro-laro lang, walang seryosohan pero na-fall, ayan. Mga ganyang bagay. Or mukhang hindi niya, parang nag-usap kayo na ganon. Pero hindi niya in-expect na may ma-fall very, very hard. So, tingnan natin. Money is important. So, siguro nagkaroon ng money issue, money problem. Isa sa naging problem niya noon. I want to see you this weekend. So, ayan, maaring makipag-usap siya sa'yo to have this, parang eye to eye. Parang gusto niya mag-usap kayo ng harapan. Ayaw niya sa social media lang. Oh, it's a surprise. I want to surprise you. I have multiple opportunities. Being defensive. Keeping tabs on you. I want a family with you. I want commitment. So, ayan, gusto niya talaga ng commitment ngayon. So, dati hindi niya ito nabigay sa'yo, commitment. And I'm addicted committed to you, bottom card. Kumbaga dati parang nag-demand ka ng commitment na kasi parang no label relationship to. So, nagde-demand ka na ng commitment or label pero hindi niya yun ibinigay. Kaya anong nangyari, nag-jump siya into another option. Ayan, so tingnan natin. Ano pa mga messages natin dito? We need to let each other go. Ito yung sinabi niya siguro noon. I wish I could share my good news with you. Just being near you is intoxicating. I wish I had treated you better. You speak to me through music. I can't stop thinking about you. I left you before you could leave me and I knew exactly what I was doing. So, inunahan ka na nito, umiwas siya. Ayan. And parang nagmamataas pa siya na alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Ayaw niya na pinagsasabihan siya ng gagawin niya. I hide behind material things. Okay, so kuha tayo ng initials. Letter V, J, L. Letter F, G and C, X, M, E, letter Y, S, K, bottom card, letter N. And let's see sa ating blue card, we have here reminiscing, past life lover, and attraction. So, malakas pa rin ang attraction. Maring may mga past life na rin kayong pinagdaanan. So, tingnan natin sa general signs and messages. So, meron tayong energies dito ng Gemini, Scorpio. Ayan, Gemini and Scorpio. National Capital Region. Patience please. Kung naghihintay, ayan, kailangan pa ng pasensya. Hilarious, number 3, number 8, long distance, quiet person, emotional, divine masculine, Capricorn, another attractive. Attraction and attractive. Ang lakas ng attraction. So, we have here responsible, another Scorpio energy. Gorgeous, future lover, number 1, mirror, food lover, September, Pisces, cup, another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, ayan, water sign again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo, sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, number 6, very loyal, and eye contact. Okay, so yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.